DC Safety is the leading supplier of safety kits and sewn accessories to the automotive industry here in the United States. Any kind of kit or accessory that you receive in the car when you buy your new vehicle from the dealer, we're likely making it. Economically, the environment works great for us. We're close to the port, which helps us with both our inbound logistics tremendously, helps us with our outbound logistics to our customers. We save them substantial amounts in their logistics, getting our product to their distribution facilities. Our customers are some of the biggest companies in the world. They're always looking for us to deliver efficiencies, which we're committed to do, and we have to do everything just right. We're supplying companies who gauge your performance on defects per million, and our target for that is zero. As far as the local business community, despite being a city, Mobile is very much like a small town where you find everybody knows each other. Somebody in the warehouse will meet somebody, somebody from quality, and they're like, "Hey, how you doing?" Like the first day working. That small town feel really translates to, it's part of the overall quality of life.